Right, quick question. How safe is your van? Where is your van if you're not in it right now? Do you know? Because when you're away from your van and when you're away from your vehicle, it doesn't have to be a van, it can be any vehicle whatsoever. You don't know where it is. You don't know how it's being driven. If you borrow it to someone, if you borrow it to one of your kids, another family member, you don't know whether they're abusing it, they don't know whether they're just racing around in it. You don't know. But with this will tell you everything that you need to know. So for a small monthly fee, I think Carlock is the sensible and just the easy way to go. It literally just plugs in your vehicle, and it is like GPS on steroids as well. Comes with a very small manual because it's literally plug and play. It does have a QR code on there which you can scan it, goes through to whatever store you're on, whether it's Android or iOS. You also get one of these as well. Now in there is your activation code. The activation code that is on there is basically paired to this device. It's unique to this device. So let's put it in and get it set up. Right, so the installation for Carlock on the vehicle, on the Volkswagen Crafter, is literally you undo this. Under there you have a port that will take this. Now on my vehicle I actually have an extension, so my port is extended, so it means I can plug this in, I can put it up out the way and no one can see it. So we'll literally just take this and then plug that in there, and that's it. That is 50% of the setup done. Right, so the next step in the process is we go into our phone app. So let's load the phone up. Nice and simple. You'll find on the App Store through the QR code a download for Carlock. Now when you open the app for the first time, you'll be asked to register your details. Don't go through the payment options because you want to get that first month free. You basically want your first month for nothing. When you go into your profile, you know, you can see I've got my profile on there, and then you can go manage your profile. In the manage your profile, I can click add vehicle, so we can add another vehicle. Then in the add vehicle section, you want to take this that has got your code written on it, so we're going to put the code into the actual phone. There's two numbers on there. There's an activation code and there's a serial number. Make sure you don't get the two of them mixed up, and make sure you don't put them all in as one. Right, so once you got your activation code and your serial number in, you literally just click next. What that does then is that asks you for the next stream for your vehicle. So you can add your vehicle in, which can be any vehicle. Mine is a Volkswagen, so we'll go to Volkswagen model. You can put Crafter, but obviously if you, well, depending on what car or what vehicle or what van you've got, you just put that in. Your time zone for your location, mine is London, Europe, so we can keep that as London, Europe. Click finish. So let's take a little bit of a look through the app itself. You've got dashboard, you've got log. What the log does is it actually tells you where your vehicle is being driven. It will give you little maps, like you can see there, gives you tiny little maps on the actual thing to tell you where the vehicle's been. You've got smart lock, which you can basically just lock the car instantly, so if anything happens or anything goes on with the vehicle, you will get an actual alarm on your phone. Your phone will visibly, you know, it will actually vibrate and it will tell you what's going on, but you do have to activate it as well. You've got the settings, and then you've got profile. If you click into either one of your profiles, if you click on your map, then you can basically go and it will tell you where the vehicle is. So when you click on the map for the very first time, your vehicle will be basically in the middle of nowhere. What you've got to do is, and it does say for it there, go for a drive to get valid GPS. Once you've gone for a drive, then it will find your location, and it's really that simple. The good thing about it is it will tell you all sorts on the app. It will tell you the time as you've been driven, it will tell you the speed that you've been going, it will tell you all sorts of information that a lot of these cheap eBay and Amazon GPS trackers just don't do. For me, it's a necessity. For me, it's something that I must have in this vehicle, because we all put hundreds and thousands and even hundreds of thousands into our vans. They are our pride and joy. We live in them. We want them secure. We want them safe. We want them as safe as possible. And you know, if something does go wrong where you need to go and find the vehicle, if it's got lost, or even for a case of you've gone to a car park. The car park's massive. We've all done it. We've all forgot where we've parked the car. With the likes of Carlock on there, you are sorted. You know, and God forbid, if anything happens untoward and your vehicle does go missing, it gives you the actual pinpointed accuracy where it is. For Vanlife and things like that, you can have one connected to your leisure batteries where nobody can really get to them. Again, with the port, you can hide it away, you can put it somewhere where nobody can get to it. You know, you don't have to rely on factory things. You don't have to rely on the actual port. You can have extensions for them, tuck them away, and make it harder for them to find. So get yourself over to the Carlock site. There's a link in the description. You can tell who they are by the logo. You know exactly what they are. I personally think for the small fee, peace of mind to have something like Carlock installed is a definite must. Get yourselves over to the website. There's a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link. There's also a link to the Amazon. Again, not an affiliate link. Carlock did send me one of their products out to review it and to test it. But to be honest with you, I already had one of them in the van anyway. So I've kind of got two now, which is a bit of a bonus. The costings are quite simple and quite easy. The app and the whole setup of it is really easy as well. Get one on your vehicle, keep it safe, and whatever you do, do it well.